first I painted this, and just taking care of the three things I could achieve this. So first we will see the whole process step by step to achieve smooth blending like this with acrylics. After that we will see some mistakes beginners generally make. Please watch the full video. So let's begin. First step is to wet the canvas. It helps to spread paint easily and cover the whole canvas without leaving any spot. Then apply the colors just like this, one by one. Here I am using acrylic paints with medium thickness, not too thick or not too thin. Make sure to clean the brush after applying each color. Clean the brush completely using water and then remove excessive paint and water from the brush and apply the other color. Now, second most important thing is the selection of brush for blending. Mop brush is the best, but as I don't have that right now, so I'm using angle brush which is completely dry. I'm putting very little pressure and gently try to spread colors evenly and try to start from lightest shade to the darkest. Third and most important thing to take care of is the speed. Blend the acrylic paints while it is still wet enough. When we will completely blend this yellow and red, we will achieve beautiful orange in between the two. Yeah, just like this. And between red and blue, we will achieve beautiful purple. Here I am using fan brush to achieve more smoothness. If you observe, I am applying brush strokes 45 degrees angle, not in horizontal direction for the smooth blending. See the result, how smoothly it blends the colors. Now let me show you some mistakes beginners generally make. They do not follow these 3 tips and the results, let's see. So if the paint is too thick, we cannot achieve smooth and even background surface. Now what if we use the wrong brush, completely wet and so rough? So it is just ruining our paint. Also, as you can see, I did not follow third tip as well for my first attempt. So the paints are started drying out. So for this attempt, we can no longer achieve smooth blending. And it is also clearly visible that in this attempt, the orange and purple shade is also missing in between the paint layers. So I hope you like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.